ICPSR users are primarily faculty, staff, and students at member institutions, but non-members can also use the data, for example, researchers, policymakers, and journalists. A number of tools are available to users, allowing them to browse and query data across many facets, including browsing data by topic, or series. Users are also able to apply filters to queries. One important feature is the interface's recency filter, which allows users to pinpoint the most recently updated data. There are also ways to access data that pin to social science research, such as question texts and data set response codes assigned by data creators. There's even a Find Publications tool that gives users a bibliography of data related to research conducted using the repository's data. On the other hand, to our knowledge, the website has not been updated since 2012, and the interface, while not too cluttered, has a decidedly outdated, skimpy look. There is little use of more contemporary dynamic web design technologies, such as text that opens where the mouse hovers and seamlessly disappears when it's not needed. The information organization also does not appear to be on par with one might expect from a project of this scope and reach. For example, the geographic area is simply an alphabetical order list place of names, with no attempt to further organize it. For example, in the slide you will notice that Bakersfield is right next to Bahrain. Overall, we think sophisticated users of Web 2.0 technology who land on ICPSR's website might find themselves wishing for a refresh to search the interface and possibly the entire site. Our research shows that the repository has a long history since 1962 of serving as a model for other social science data repositories. Early on, it was able to grow its membership and secure funding, which ensured its stability and longevity. Keeping with its visionary roots, ICPSR kept pace with advances in cyber infrastructure. Another strength that it has encouraged participation by new scholars in the field via its programs for undergraduates and graduate students. Today, it is a global leader in data stewardship, enjoying partnerships with top academic institutions and many federal agencies. On the other hand, though the archive's user-face front end offers easy access to an immense store of valuable data, along with some useful tools, the site and interface look time-worn and are somewhat clunky to use. To ensure that it remains viable and sustainable, ICPSR may need to pay attention to the usability of web interface. Web technologies evolve rapidly, and so do users' expectations. A redesigned and refreshed access tools and a friendlier interface would surely add value to ICPSR's already impressive capabilities. I'd like to end this presentation while sharing some of our resources that we have gathered during our studies. We have 3 pages of resources for you to look over. We invite you to continue learning more about ICPSR on your own. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the discussion forum and one of us will be happy to reply to you. Thank you for listening to our presentation.